Hello my dear students. So good news for ISC students. So here most likely question banks have come from Oswal Gurukul. So here is this for physics, chemistry, biology and for mathematics. Now let me show you. So I hope you all know already about oswal.io. So it is simplifying your board exam preparations with AI. Here by this app you can actually create real exam like practice tests and improve time management. Okay, so here more than 1 lakh syllabus aligned questions are there, expert evaluation and feedback also is there, and you can upload your handwritten answers easily and you will get your evaluated answer sheet via email. Okay, so this is a very nice platform. It is available by oswal.io. So let me show you around. Okay, so full syllabus is given. Now let's come to here. Okay, that's the content page. Let us see the first chapter. Now here initially word of advice is given, topics found difficult by students and common errors made by students. Then comes chapter at a glance. This is very nice. Okay, so if you see Coulomb's law, its formula, symbols, representation, definition and SI units and dimensions. So likewise for everything, for the whole chapter you can see electric field intensity, dipole, torque, electric potential, electric field and potential of spherical shell of uniform charge density, outside the shell how it is, on the surface of shell, okay, inside the shell, electric flux, Gauss theorem, capacitance, capacitor combination, series parallel and energy stored in capacitor. All the formulas along with the SI units, dimension, everything is given with definition. Then comes multiple choice questions. Okay, these are the multiple choice questions, all diagram based questions, every type of multiple choice questions are there. Now if you see the answers for MCQ also, along with the correct answer they have given you detailed explanation as well. So that's the best part about MCQs that I liked here. Then assertion and reason based questions are there along with the answers. Very short type answer questions are there. Okay, in detail explanation for very short answer. Then short answer type questions are there, long answer type questions. So overall for one first chapter so much content is there. Can you see? Let me turn and show you. See, this is the first chapter going on, electrostatics. Now see, the numerical section is given separately. So lots and lots of numericals are there. Lots of solved numericals, detailed steps, detailed explanation. See. So overall your practice becomes very nice if you practice so many questions. All sort of questions are there. Now practice exercise is also given there. So huge number of questions are there for practice exercise. Answers are given at the end. Now here let me tell you about oswal.io once again. What are the key features? You can create real exam like practice test and improve time management. So how to go about this also I will tell you. See here, what are the steps? You can select the subject. Okay, step 2 select the chapter. Step 3 select type of questions. Okay, you can select either MCQs only or reason and assertion based, or you can select all of them as well. Then select time. Okay, you can practice time based test and evaluate your speed. तो स्पीड बढ़ाने के लिए आप टाइम भी सेट करके कर सकते हैं. And then you can upload your handwritten papers. Okay, you can upload your handwritten answers easily here and you will get the evaluation by email. ओके, सो इट इज़ नॉट जस्ट MCQs की टिक टिक किया और अपना सॉल्यूशन देखा, नहीं, आप पूरा पेपर टाइम बेस्ड सॉल्व करके कर सकते हो. सो दीज बुक्स आर वेरी वेरी रिकमेंडेड बाय मी. आई विल मेक द वीडियो फॉर ईच एंड एवरी बुक, है ना. सभी बुक्स का मैं एक वीडियो बना दूंगी ताकि आपको सभी फीचर्स पता चल जाए. तो राइट नाउ आई हैव जस्ट शोन यू फिजिक्स 1 chapter. That is how it is done. So I'll give you the link of these books in the description below, so you can go ahead and check it out and decide for yourself. Thank you, my dear students.